Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Authorize Net Webhooks, a comprehensive tutorial that explains the topic step by step. In this guide, we will cover key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to get you started with Authorize Net Webhooks. First, let us understand what Authorize Net Webhooks are. Authorize Net Webhooks are a way to receive real-time notifications from Authorize Net when a specific event occurs, such as a payment being processed or a subscription being updated. These notifications are sent to a predefined URL, allowing you to automate tasks and update your system in real time. To get started with Authorize Net Webhooks, you need to create a webhook endpoint, which is a URL that will receive the webhook notifications. This endpoint should be able to handle HTTP post requests and process the JSON data sent by Authorize Net. Next, you need to configure the webhook in the Authorize Net merchant interface. This involves specifying the URL of your webhook endpoint, selecting the events you want to receive notifications for, and setting up any additional settings such as authentication and encryption. Once you have set up your webhook, you can start receiving notifications from Authorize Net. These notifications will be sent in JSON format and will contain information about the event that triggered the webhook, such as the payment amount, customer information, and transaction status. To process the webhook notifications, you can use a programming language such as Python or Java to parse the JSON data and perform any necessary actions. For example, you can use the notification to update your database, send a confirmation email to the customer, or trigger a fulfillment process. Best practices for using Authorize Net webhooks include validating the authenticity of the webhook notifications, handling errors and exceptions, and testing your webhook endpoint thoroughly before going live. You should also ensure that your webhook endpoint is secure and can handle a large volume of requests. In conclusion, Authorize Net webhooks provide a powerful way to automate tasks and update your system in real time. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a webhook endpoint, configure the webhook in the Authorize Net merchant interface, and start receiving notifications from Authorize Net. With the right tools and best practices in place, you can harness the full potential of Authorize Net webhooks and take your business to the next level.